my dear children. Good morning, everyone. I am very happy to see you all once again. Children, how are you all? I hope all are doing great by God's grace. Children, did you remember the previous topic? Yes. Let's revise the previous topic. Crow, sparrow, owl, cock, eagle. Children, shall I ask some questions?
Yes, ma'am.
First question. Where do the birds live?
Birds live in nest.
Very good, children. Next question. Which is the largest bird in the world?
I know, ma'am. Ostrich.
Next question. Which is the national bird of India?
Very easy question, ma'am. Peacock.
Next question. Which bird is the king of birds?
Eagle, ma'am.
Very good, children. Now, writing time. Children, take a notebook and pencil. Write along with me. Birds. Birds. First one. Cock. What is the sound of C? K. O. K. K. Cock. Cock. Next, crow. K. What's the sound of R? R. O. Crow. Crow. Next, owl. O. 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 L. Owl. Owl. Now we are going to write sparrow. S. P. A. R. R. O. W. Sparrow. Sparrow. Next, eagle. A. G. L. A. Eagle. Eagle. Children, now read from the beginning. Birds. Cock. Cock. Crow. Crow. Owl. Owl. Sparrow. Sparrow. Eagle. Eagle. Okay, children. Today's homework. Birds. Study and write twice. Children, watch my video and do practice it well. Thank you, children.